How to upload high quality videos and photos on Facebook without losing the quality. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, what you simply need to do is download the Facebook Lite application, because through Facebook official application it is not possible. So you just have to download the Facebook Lite application, and as you can see I've already installed it. So I'm going to tap on open and make sure you're logged into your account. Here, tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen and then scroll down to Settings and Privacy. Here, tap on Settings again and then scroll down, and under Preferences, you can see the option of Media. So tap on Media. Here you can see the option of photo quality, so you can select from high, medium to low, but since we want the high quality videos, we're going to tap on high. And then in terms of video quality as well, we're going to tap on optimize, because this will adjust videos to network conditions. And after that, you'll be able to upload high quality videos and photos on Facebook without losing the quality. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.